So if I had to say on a scale of 1 to 10, how important is data to recruiting and workforce management? I would like to say 10, but I'll say 9. And I only say 9 because you can't let it be everything. You have to let the data tell you the story. It's a 9 because it's so important to measuring and driving decision making. But I don't say 10 because 10 would also indicate it's the most important thing. And while it is one of the most critical, you can't let it drive everything you do. You can't let it overwhelm your decision making. You can't live behind a computer all the time. It's what I tell all of our on-site representatives who are there every single day with our workforce and our customers. You tell me, because you're there. I can see it from behind a computer and add context, but especially when it comes to working with a complex and diverse workforce, those are human beings. And that's what counts most in understanding what their experience is like every day. We know how important it is when we're looking at data when it comes to pay. That's great if we know, hey, how we adjust it in one way, but it's important to understand that's someone's paycheck, that's someone's family and their livelihood. And those are the things that are most important in understanding the impact on someone's life. That's the stuff that counts most. So, well, data is ultimately going to be a huge driver and one of the most critical things. If you're not tracking data to manage your workforce, you should right away. And don't let it lose sight of the people and the processes that you have in place and how it impacts them, because ultimately happy people work harder, create better business. I'm sure there's a lot of data out there that shows that. And that's what really counts. Certainly at Eastridge, our purpose is to create opportunity and enrichment through work. And ultimately that translates back to the people that are at work every day. So that's really what counts most. So that's why it's a 9 out of 10.